Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following Linux news lately, you've probably heard people talking about something called Dank Linux. Despite the name, Dank Linux is not actually a Linux distribution. Instead, it's a modern desktop shell called DankMaterialShell that runs on top of Wayland compositors such as Hyprland and Niri. The goal is to provide a complete, polished desktop experience without requiring users to spend hours configuring dozens of separate tools and configuration files. One of the reasons Dank Linux is attracting so much attention is that setting up a beautiful Hyprland desktop can normally be a complicated process. Users often have to manually configure panels, launchers, notifications, lock screens, themes, wallpapers, and various utilities. Dank Linux aims to solve this problem by bringing everything together into a single integrated experience. The result is a desktop that looks modern, feels consistent, and works right out of the box. Installing it on Ubuntu is surprisingly simple. According to the official documentation, Ubuntu support currently starts with Ubuntu 25.04 and newer. The installation can be started with a single command in the terminal. The installer guides you through the process, allowing you to choose a compositor such as Hyprland or Niri. It then automatically downloads the required packages, configures the environment, and sets up the desktop shell. This eliminates much of the manual work that normally comes with creating a custom Wayland desktop. After installation and logging into the new session, the first thing you'll notice is the clean and polished design. Dank Linux follows a material design-inspired aesthetic with smooth animations, modern widgets, a stylish application launcher, integrated notifications, and automatic color theming based on your wallpaper. Unlike many community-made Hyprland configurations that look great in screenshots but feel inconsistent during everyday use, Dank Linux provides a more cohesive desktop experience where everything feels designed to work together. Performance is another area where Dank Linux shines. Since it is built on lightweight Wayland compositors, resource usage is generally lower than traditional desktop environments like GNOME. Applications launch quickly, animations remain smooth, and the desktop feels responsive even on modest hardware. For users looking for a modern Linux experience without sacrificing performance, this can be a significant advantage. Of course, no project is perfect. Dank Linux is still relatively new compared to mature desktop environments like GNOME and KDE Plasma. Documentation is improving, but advanced users may still encounter occasional bugs or rough edges. Some Linux enthusiasts may also prefer building and customizing their own environment from scratch rather than using a pre-configured solution. Overall, Dank Linux is one of the most interesting Linux desktop projects to emerge recently. It makes advanced Wayland desktops more accessible by providing a complete setup that can be installed in minutes. If you've been curious about Hyprland but were intimidated by the configuration process, Dank Linux could be the easiest way to get started. Whether it becomes a major player in the Linux desktop world remains to be seen, but it is certainly a project worth watching. Let me know in the comments if you would try Dank Linux on your system. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.